Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's tutorial, we're going to introduce you a very interesting and powerful project which can automate your daily activities, and that is called SureThing. And SureThing provides a lot of agents. You can create your own agents, and it also has a lot of integrations. You can integrate with your favorite applications. So they have an integrations tab. You can go inside and see there's hundreds and thousands of applications you can use and integrate with your daily tasks. It's very convenient. To get started, you just have to create a project. So once you create a project, you can pick a built-in agent, or you can create your own agent. We're going to show you guys a little bit later in this video. And then you can connect your favorite apps to let this agent to work on it. So agents and integrations. So as simple as that. So to show you guys how this works, you have to just create a project, and that is what you want to do in general. For example, we create a project called test 3. So we do not keep a description. You can keep any description you want, and then you start create. So you can see that the project is created, and it has a default agent. It's called a project agent. So this will also start to help you to understand the structure of the project, the structure of the platform. So basically, you can see there's a conversation. So you can talk to the agent. You can also have pages. Pages are basically reports. So you can have pages to understand the progress of your tasks, progress of your daily activities, and also you can see there's chart and metrics. You can do all sorts of reporting just under the pages. There's agents section. So agents, basically the agents specifically tied to this project. So for example, the default one is project agent. The other agent you can create from this new agent section. You can just give a name and skills. So the agent should be ready to go. So based on your specific need, you can create different types of agent. And also there's routines. So you can create daily routines to replicate the working schedule, or you can just schedule tasks and also trigger emails as a routine. So that's the structure of the project. So also there's a lot of the pre-built agent you can pick from. So there's also browser agent section. You can go to the browser agent section, and those are agent template you can pick and choose. So one of the very popular ones is called social media automation, which we're going to demo today. So this one will help you to automate your marketing strategy. So let's say we add to a project. You can see there's 3 projects we created. We add this agent to the test 3 project. And you can see that the project has this social media automation agent created and added to this project. So it will give you also a setup steps, so you can fill in the description of a product and services. Also, you can have the format of the post you want to create. Is it text only, image with caption, or short video? So for demo purpose, we just do text only. So you can check text only, and then you can click the project description. So you can start to describe your project. And for example, we just make it easy so that it's very straightforward to understand. So this is a coffee company. So we can say it's a indie coffee toaster. All right, so this is a toaster company. And after that, you can see this next button is enabled. Then you can actually start to create your first task, which is a social media automation task as your first task. So let's click next. And there's a list of different platforms that showed up, so you can connect to any of them. So we connected Reddit. So this is the new Reddit account we created just for demonstration purpose. It has a GTM group. So once you created a Reddit account and connect to it, you can tie it to this task. All right, so we finish the connection integration part, and then we click setup. So you can finish setup. Then it will start to generate the post for that Reddit or any other platforms that you're connected to. So as you can see here, the social media automation agent is created. It also listed under this chat section. So you can also see that there's 2 agents now. So instead of just 1 agent, which is default project agent, now you have 2 agents, which is the social media automation agent and project agent. So you're going to wait a little bit. So it's going to generate your post and it's going to ask you to approve it and post to your ideal platform. So while it's waiting, let's go through the agent section and the routine section that it has been created along with the task. So you can see that the agents, there's project agent, there's social media agent. You can edit that agent. So you can see that this is automatically created. So you can see the skills are filled in automatically and the name is also pre-filled. So it's very convenient. There's no need to think about it. It just created. And if you want to create a new agent, for example, if you want to create something like a marketer, then you can also add a agent like this, click create, and that's it. So the routines, it also automatically created a weekly social post draft routine. So in this case, it will be able to schedule posts to your favorite social platforms weekly and automatically. So let's go back to conversations. So see that the post is already created and it asked me to approve it. So I want to approve and schedule this to your connected Reddit account. And it will also set up weekly Monday 9 a.m. draft going forward. So this is basically scheduled post to Reddit. So I'll approve it and yes, please post to the Reddit and schedule it accordingly. Okay. So you can see it is actually being posted to the Reddit subreddit. It's called a roasting and you can just click on it. So let's try it. So you can see there's a post has been created for this subreddit. So if you want to remove it so that you understand that this is maybe not something that you want to post or not the subreddit you want to post, you can also just click and remove it. Or you can schedule to a different subreddit. For example, if you want to first remove this, you can still click delete. So this is removed. So in case that sometimes you post it to a subreddit that is not ideal, then you can still remove it. So it's based on the Reddit features. So no worries there. And let's say, for example, I tell it to post it to the subreddit that we created, which is our GTM group. Post it to Reddit. So it will post it to a specific subreddit that we would like to. So you can see now this is posted to the subreddit that we specified. So let's go to that subreddit. Let's refresh it. So you can see that this is posted. Super nice. So now the next one we want to show you guys is that we want to also post this to Notion, which is also connected. So you can see that there's a connection section. You can see there's Notion is connected, the tablet is connected, Reddit is connected. So we want to also post to Notion to see how this works. So can you post it to Notion? Notes section. Okay, it's done. So let's open it. So you can see this is also posted. So super nice. It says sample node create by sure thing, and also it says Reddit post how to decide roles level on the same lot, And because it's actually old post, so they actually directly schedule it to post it on Notion. So that's debatable, but I think it's still doing a good job, that post to a platform that was specified. So let's go back to the sure thing. So the next thing I want to show you guys is the pages. So these are another really important feature, which is the reporting. So for example, so we want to track the progress that we made today, and we want to get some metrics to understand how the performance works, right? So let's say, for example, we'll create a new page for the task tracking and an overview of the task. Let's say a live overview of the tasks being worked on today. So let's create that. So you can see that this task tracking page is being created. So let's wait a bit to see how it looks like. So you can see now the page is live now. So it says it will wire up an hourly refresh so that the overview stays current. So let's take a look at the page to see how this works. The pages. Okay, you can see that this is super nice. So you can see that there's 6 pending in progress, and there's waiting for you to action, and there's completed 3 finish, recurring, there are 4 scheduled jobs. It's very nice. So super nice. Yeah, so there's a pro Reddit draft, coffee and bros level discussion post. There's also reviewed Reddit post. There's also reviewed the post task post to Reddit. Super nice. That's what we did. So, and that's for the pages. You can actually create all these different awesome charts and dashboard just by talking to the agent. It's very convenient. And you can see there's a routine also. So you can see that the routine is created for refresh task tracking page. This is what we just added for the page. So this is also part of the routine, and you can schedule it hourly, daily to refresh it. And also you can see we also schedule 2 other tasks automatically while we're actually working on the Reddit post. One is for the Reddit draft. The other one, I think, is for the social post draft. I think it's similar, but it's gonna create this scheduled routine automatically. You can also schedule 2 different platforms for that social post task. So you can connect to all different platforms that you prefer and automatically post to them. So you can see the Reddit is already connected. So it's super nice, super easy to use. Great project. So, and that should be it. You can also try this out using different integrations. I know in this demo, we tried Reddit, we tried Notion. You can also trying other social platforms like LinkedIn, also Twitter, or if you are project manager, you can also try Linear, and those great platforms that you connect to, and just try it. It's very convenient. It's gonna save you a lot of time and energy. It's gonna automate your tasks. So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. And if you do have any questions, please leave a comment. And thank you so much. See you in the next one.